What if one blurry photo on the internet could create an entire universe? Just endless yellow rooms, fluorescent lights, and a feeling that you've slipped outside reality. Now, that was the idea behind the Backrooms. It begins in 2019 on 4chan. 4chan was a forum where users shared images, jokes, ideas, and strange internet discoveries. It was a place where ideas could spread and transform without a clear creator. And the same goes with Backrooms. It doesn't have one particular origin. So one day, an anonymous user uploaded a strange image. It showed that empty office like space, yellow wallpaper, old carpet, a lot of lighting. And the image itself wasn't scary in the traditional sense. But something was a bit off. So another anonymous user posted a comment which goes like, if you're not careful enough and you no clip out of reality in the wrong areas, you'll end up in the back rooms where there is nothing but the smell of old moist carpet, the madness of mono yellow, the endless background noise of fluorescent lights at maximum hum, buzz, and approximately 600 million square miles of randomly segmented empty rooms to be trapped in. And that photo became a digital myth. That's a perfect example of internet era storytelling, where the audience doesn't just consume the story, they actually built it. Thousands of people expanded the idea, creating theories, maps, and histories around it. So, Kane Parsons, who was known as Kane Pixels online, started creating his own backrooms. He created those immersive spaces using Blender. And his footage the footage that he produced was very realistic. And he produced a lot of videos which became the popular web series known as found footage, known as the Backrooms, which are mostly found footage styled videos, mostly 80s 90s stuff. And his work caught the attention of Hollywood, eventually leading to the Backrooms film, in which Parsons was the director. What makes the story remarkable is not just the film itself, it's the journey. A forgotten corner on the internet which created the concept, the community expanded it, and the young creator transformed it with 3D software, Blender. So sometimes ideas could start with a random image, an anonymous comment, and millions of people asking one question: what if there was a story behind it? What if it was real? Basically, the image was a picture of a furniture shop in the US. It was sort of being renovated at that time, and that picture and the comment gave rise to that concept upon which thousands of people entered and started building their own imagination.